So I did promise that we'll talk about the endocrine system and look at the diagram. So let's look at this diagram and we just go quickly through the glands we've been talking about. So start with this one, which is the hypothalamus. So we didn't talk that much about it, but it also helps to control the master gland, the pituitary gland. So this is the hypothalamus, and then we have the pituitary gland, which secretes many different hormones, which in turn can affect even other glands. So this is a very small figure we're seeing here of the brain, and this is the pituitary gland. And then we have the thyroid gland, which affects metabolism of growth and maintains them. So this is where it is located, that is the thyroid gland. I should be able to tell we're talking about this as the second one and this as the first. Number 3, we are talking about the parathyroids gland, which help regulate the level of calcium in the body. We won't hear much about those. And then we have the testes. Okay, this is what we mentioned when we're talking about the testes, which secretes male sex hormones. They help to produce those secondary sexual characteristics in men. And then the adrenal glands on top of the kidneys, one on each kidney, help trigger the adrenaline for flight or fight response. Then on that we have the pancreas, which regulates the level of sugar in the body. That is the insulin as well as the glucagon, which is produced by the special pancreatic cells called the islets or Langerhans, which helps regulate the levels of sugar in the blood. And that is present in both the male and the female organs. So now female body. So now we have the adrenal glands also available in the male and female in all the bodies. Then we have the ovaries, which secretes the female sex hormones in the females and produce those secondary sexual characteristics in female. And then we have the parathyroid gland. You won't hear much about that, but controls the levels of calcium in the body. And we have the thyroid gland, which affects metabolism among other things. So this is just the structure of the endocrine system and the different hormones which are present and how they affect, they carry out their effects on the body and the hormones that they produce. We've talked about all these things, so now we can just look at the structure, where they are, the systems, the system, how it's organized and everything. So now you'll be able to tell where each gland is and what it does and what kind of hormone it produces.